Good evening, all of you. Um, Today date is 22 February 2022. First of all, introduce myself. My name is Sachin Sanjay Guge. I am come from Mumbai Malad, and recently I had completed B in Mechanical Engineer, and recently I have joined Hepson Institute in Pune. So let come to the point. Today's our topic in string method in Java. So first of basically we will, in this topic we will cover the types of method and to find out their output and how it is used in this method. So we will see one by one. So first of all we will see caret method. Yeah, in this method we will find out the position of our character. Suppose we can take one example. Suppose one string s is equal to in double quote hello. First of all we will convert the char into array. Char array is equal to new char array, and we will find out the in hello word. We will find out the index of h, and put out this index. We will find out the our character is what in index. Put out 0. Ch is equal to s dot char at index I. For loop, and after that we will use for in this condition for loop, and after that we will find the sys out output is h. Second one is length method. In this method we will find out the length of our string. Suppose string s is equal to welcome. In this string our welcome is a character, and our length is 4. We can use this length method. We can find out the length. String s is equal to welcome, a double quote welcome, and s1 is equal to blank method. After that sys out s dot length, and we will find out output is uh, 6. Output is 6. After that third one method is uppercase method. In this in uppercase method, we will convert the lowercase into uppercase. Suppose string s1 is equal to in double quote hello in whole word is lowercase. In sys out s dot to uppercase, and output is our in hello character in uppercase, whole in uppercase. After that lowercase. In this method we will convert the uppercase into lowercase. We can take example. String s1 is equal to welcome in lowercase, in uppercase. After that sys out s dot to lowercase, and our output is welcome in your lowercase. After that fourth one method is index of method. In this method we can find out the index of our character. Character is character is hello, and our h is which of index h is placed. We can find out the string s is equal to hello in double quote hello, and yes s1 is equal to blank method. And after that s2 after that yes is equal to first of all we will see we will convert the uppercase, and after that we will convert the lowercase, and output is s is equal to s dot caret index, and for we will using for we have used to for loop, and after that we will find out the index of method. After that equal after that sixth one method is equal ignore case method. In this method we will ignoring the we will ignoring the uppercase and lowercase, but we will find out the in both string equal are equals or not. Suppose first string s1 is welcome in double quote welcome in uppercase, and second string s2 is double quote in welcome in uppercase, but both are string length is same, so this is equal, and length is increased, so this is not equal, but ignore the case. After that split method. In this method we have to split our character. Suppose string s1 is equal to string s1 is equal to I am a double quote I am a student, and we can split this character. We can create new string s2 is equal to blank, and after that sys out println as split and output is I in our first line, then after that am is our next line, and after that student is our next line. Lots of method in string method. We will cover shortly this method. I hope you will understand all methods using string. So today that's all. Thank you so much. Good evening, all of you.